client side script and server side script. Client side script is nothing but a script code that can be generally client side script, server side script, where it will be means any website script runs on the two places, client side and server side. Okay, client side script is also called as a front end and server side script is also called as a back end. So here client side script is nothing but a script code that can be runs on the client side is nothing but a client side script. Server side script is nothing but a script code that can be runs on the server side is nothing but a server side script. Whereas in this client side scripts can be run on any web browser. Okay, client side scripts can be run on any web browser. So whereas in a client side scripting, server side scripting, if you are writing scripting on the client side, which is nothing but if you are writing the scripting by user on the client side in the front end, if you are writing, then you can say that that is a client side scripting. And server side scripting is nothing but a script on the server if you are maintaining, script on the server if you are maintaining, then you can say it as a server side scripting. And next one, this client side scripting can be run on any web browser. What are the web browser? It can client side scripting can be run on any web browser. What are the web browser? You can say Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera and so on. Whereas in a server side server script, server side script can be run on any server. What are the servers we can use? IIS you can use, Apache you can use, and PWS you can use. IIS is nothing but a Internet Information Service and PW is nothing but a personal web server and so on. Next one, whereas in a client side scripting languages are JavaScript and VB script, JavaScript and VB script. Server side web pages, server side scripting languages are ASP, PHP. Okay, client side scripting languages are Java and VB script. Server side are ASP and PHP. Next one, client side scripts works at the front end and that scripts are visible among the users. Client side scripts are runs at the client side only, which is nothing but it work as a front end, and these scripts are visible to users. For any number of users, this client side script are visible. Whereas in a server side script, it runs on the back end. This server side script runs on the back end and users cannot, for users it cannot be visible. Okay, server side script runs on the back end, for users it cannot be visible. And client side less secure, as the client side script is visible to the